Today at Ultimate Motors, we have a 2004 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. Let's do a quick walk around. It is the Carrera 4S, so it has the 911 turbo styling. It has the wider rear fenders. Turbo style front grills with the lower lip. Turbo style wheels with the bigger brakes. The same suspension as the turbo as well. It makes around 315 horsepower. All-wheel drive, of course. Let's take a look inside. Beautiful leather interior. A lot of storage spots. Power memory seats. This has 29,000 miles. Let's start it up and see how it sounds. This talk down here controls your board computer. Right now you have temperature, average miles per gallon, average miles per hour from start, average miles per gallon from start, remainder in your tank, back to the temperature. Left and right side, you have ability to change your gears manually. It has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Down here you have cruise control, as well as windshield wiper controls. Right here you have your headlights. The aftermarket touchscreen head unit. With factory Bose audio. It does have a backup camera as well. It has aftermarket navigation, Bluetooth hands-free calling, as well as Bluetooth audio. It has normal AM, FM radio as well. Options for disc, USB input for music, as well as Pandora. Cup holder. Pull it out for 2. Indicator for your key, defrost, rear windshield wiper. On the left side, you have Porsche stability management on or off. Below, you have your CD changer, as well as your HVAC controls, temperature up or down, fan speed, professional settings, automatic. Then you can turn it off by going all the way down. You have your lights and sunroof controls. Check out the back seats. The fronts move forward like this. It's tight, but there's room for 2. These seats also fold down on each side. Back of the headrest, you have a hook for your blazer or your coat. Check out the engine. Got the engine. Powered by a 3.6 liter flat six engine. Look at the front storage compartment. Thank you guys for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact us on Facebook or on our website. Our website and Facebook can be found below in the description. Thank you.